Hi, this is Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add bookmark on MacBook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Bookmarking pages on Safari, the default browser for Mac computer, can help you navigate online with ease. But it's easy to go a little overboard and end up with so many that you have difficult time finding the ones you need. That when adding favorites can come in handy. So in this video, we'll show you how to add bookmark to your MacBook. It's very simple. So first of all, you can open your browser. Here's I'm using Safari. You can search for the website that you want to add to bookmark. For example, we'll search for this Medium. So I will add this website to my favorites, or I will bookmark this website. How to do it? It's very simple. So you can see in here on your top screen on MacBook, there is an option bookmark. You can just click on that. You can choose Add Bookmark. You can click on bookmark like this. You can rename the bookmark. You can name the bookmark as you want. After that, you can choose on add, or you can just simply drag the website, but I think it's hard. I'm sorry. Now you can just drag this website address like this. You can click and hold, and you can drag it to here, to the menu. And here you can add to tab group favorites, or you can just add to your favorites. It's very simple, right? So if you want to add any websites on your MacBook, you can just drag it, or you can just click on bookmark. Very simple. So that is how to add bookmark on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.